what has happened is that this bankruptcy tribunal, NCLT, had accepted the resolution plan that was submitted by Hinduja Group's IIHL long back. However, the formalities that need to be completed to actually put this plan in motion have never really started. And that is why an official from Reliance Capital, appointed by the RBI, went up to the NCLT saying that this process needs to be expedited and the formalities need to be completed. Now, where is the problem? Hinduja's IIHL is saying that they need more time for the compliance process, whereas RCAP is saying that more time cannot be sought without it being approved from the COC. If COC has not approved this time period, how can this more time be sought from the NCLT directly? Now, what they have said is, even though they got an extension till July 31st, they were supposed to submit an amount of rupees 250 crore with an Indian escrow account, 2500 crore with a foreign escrow account, and were also supposed to submit some executed term sheets of 7300 crores. But they are asking more time to complete these processes because they are saying that there needs to be a clarification in which kind of escrow account or which escrow account in India they need to submit that money into. They need some RBI approval to submit that money back into the foreign escrow account. And they are saying that a trustee has to be appointed, securities have to be delisted, and several other formalities need to be done on their part before these directions can be complied with, and that is why an extension is sought.
Okay, interesting. We will, of course, talk about this in more detail over the course of the next couple of days. But, Charu, there was an update from the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, and it has, in fact, pronounced an order on whether EdTech firm BYJU's can go ahead and settle the case with the BCCI. What's the latest update there?
So the edtech company BYJU's was admitted into insolvency by the National Company Law Tribunal of Bangalore back on July 16th. However, they went up to the appellate tribunal to appeal against this. And fortunately enough for them, after a hearing or two, BCCI, the Cricket Control Board, went up to the NCLT and said that they are ready for the settlement. And BYJU's also said that they will be able to pay the settlement amount by August 9. And this amount will not be paid actually by the edtech company itself. It would be paid by Riju Ravindran, BYJU Ravindran's brother, who is also a major shareholder in the company. However, the NCLT, while accepting this settlement, has also said that if the amount is not paid by the date as per the settlement plan submitted before the tribunal, the company will again be taken back into insolvency. Again, an undertaking has been taken from Riju Ravindran, which says that the money that he is giving to basically quash the insolvency proceedings and settle with BCCI is not siphoned money. He had to tell the court that the money that he is using is his own money on which he has paid tax in India and not something that has been laundered from US-based lenders. And however, if this undertaking comes ahead to be known as something that is false and wrong, they will again be admitted back into insolvency. So based on these conditions, they are out of the waters for now.